Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video you have learned about the summary of this chapter. So now in today's video I'll explain some paragraph. So look into your book before you read. Has your best friend ever done something you thought was wrong? What did you do then? Did you keep quiet or did you tell your friend what you thought? Read this story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or the sense of what is right and what is wrong. So here the author asked some questions. He said that when your friend made mistakes or did anything that according to you was not right, then what you did? Did you ignore and said nothing to your friend or told him about his mistake, that what he has done was not correct? Then the author told about the story, that this story is about two friends who had to decide what was more important, friendship and enmity, or sense of justice. It means, what is more important, support the friendship or do justice? So this is all about this story. Now let's start this story. So look into your book, paragraph number 1. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. So strong was their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So in the first paragraph, you will know about the main character of this story, Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, and how was the relation between them. It means, how was the relation of Jumman and Algu Chaudhary. So as you have known that Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary are the main character of this story, actually they were very close and true friends. Their friendship was very deep and strong. Their relation was so strong that if any one of them had to go out of the village, other friend took care of his family, and villagers also respected them because they were very loyal and sincere. It means Algu Chaudhary and Jumman Sheikh both were very honest, loyal and faithful. They respect each other and also they respect the villagers. That's why villagers also respected them and treat them in a good manner. So this is the first paragraph. I hope it's very clear to you. Now come to the second paragraph. Jumman had an old aunt who had some property. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. The arrangement worked well for a couple of years. Then the situation changed. Jumman and his family were tired of the old relative. Jumman became as indifferent to her as his wife, who grudged even a little food that the old lady wanted every day. She swallowed these insults along with her food for few months, but patience has its limit. So in the second paragraph, you will know Jumman's aunt and the deal which was done between them. Then how Jumman and his family treated with the old lady. So actually what happened, there was an old aunt of Jumman who has some property, but she had no one to take care of her. So she made a deal with Jumman, and the deal was that she will transfer her all property to Jumman, and in return of that, Jumman would take care of her and fulfill her needs. So both Jumman and his aunt agreed, and the settlement worked well in favor of her for 2 years. And Jumman was looking after her very well. And the old aunt also had no complaint. But after 2 years, Jumman and his family's behavior towards old aunts totally changed. They were fed of her. Jumman and his wife showed no interest. They became careless and not serving the old aunt as they were doing in the beginning. His wife gave her food unwillingly. In short, Jumman and his family were not treating her as they promised at the time of transferring the property. Instead, they insulted her. So, the helpless old lady tolerated this misbehavior and insult for some days. But patience has its limit. It means human can tolerate and ignore insult or misbehavior for limited time. But when it crossed the limit, human lost his patience and tried to get out of that. So the old aunt also had patience and tolerated this insult for some time. But when it crossed the limit, she also lost the patience and tried to find out the way to get out of this problem. So this is your today's lesson, and what she did to get rid of her problems we will learn in next video. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.